How to add shift lock in Roblox Studio. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys two ways on how to add shift lock in Roblox Studio. So the first method is adding it for PC, and then the second method is adding it for mobile. So first, let's just get started with for the PC version, which is very simple. So what you want to do is to make sure that Explorer right here is switched on. So as you can see right here in the right side, I have Explorer switched on. But if that is not showing to you, what you can do is to simply go to View right here on the top. Afterwards, in the left side over here, there's an option right here that will allow you to open up Explorer. So yeah, so to open it up, just click on Open, or just click on the Explorer button right there, and then the Explorer will now open up. And then after opening it up, what you want to do is go to Starter Player right here. And at the bottom, you'll get to see the properties. But if you don't see the properties, again, just go to View right here, and then beside Explorer, there is Properties. So just click on it, and then you'll get to see your properties right here at the bottom. So from here, what you want to do in Properties right here is scroll down until you see Controls. So once you're in Controls, there is an option right here that will allow you to enable mouse lock option. So just click on that button or tick the box. There you go. And then after that, you're pretty much done for the PC part. So yeah, after that, you can now test it out right here. So I'll just click on play, and then there you go. I'm now here. So when I hold shift right there, so as you can see, I can now use the shift lock. So yeah, so we can now stop it, and then we can now exit out of here. So next, what we're gonna do now is to add the shift lock on the mobile version. So to do that, just head over down to the link down in the description below, and where you'll be redirected right here. So this one right here is a shift lock button for mobile. So what you want to do from here is to just simply click on Get Model right here in the left side. So just simply click on that, and then there you go. The model has now been added to our inventory. So after that, you can now go back to Roblox Studio. And then once you're in Roblox Studio, just go to your toolbox right here in the left side. But if you don't see it, again, just go to Home right here, and then there is a toolbox option right here that you can switch on. So just click on it, and then the toolbox will now appear. So once you're in toolbox, just go click on the second tab right here at the top, and then from here, just go to My Models. And then as you can see over here that the shift lock button for mobile is right here. So just simply click on it, and then there you go. So in our Explorer, we'll get to see this shift lock button right here under Workspace. So once you've seen this script right here, what you want to do is to just simply drag it to Starter GUI. And then there you go. So we now have our shift lock button right there. So as you can see right here at the bottom, we now have our shift lock. So let's say you want to change the placement or move the shift lock button around. What you can do is just simply go to the shift lock button right here, click on the arrow, and then just simply click on this image button. So after clicking on the image button, as you can see right here, we can now drag it around. So you can drag it anywhere you like. So yeah, so for example, I'll just put it here, and then there you go. You're now done moving it around. You can also resize it if you want to, and etc, etc. So feel free to customize out your button. So yeah, so for me, I'll just leave it like this, and there you go. You're now done. So when you click on play, yeah, the shift lock button will now be shown on mobile, but since I'm on PC, it won't show it here. So yeah, so there you go. We now have our button right there for the mobile version. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add shift lock in Roblox Studio.